Hello and welcome to the Tarkus Zone. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be playing Starship Troopers. And this game is actually a pretty fun game. It's a co-op game. And we're just going to get started now. So what we're going to do is we're going to join up. We're going to leave it on easy mode. Actually, let's bump it to bump it to veteran hard. I think that would be good. This is going to be my third game ever, and we'll just go with quick play. I think I need a challenge. My first two games were okay. They were fun that I played. The first two missions that I played. This will be my third mission, and we're going to go to veteran mode just so that we can see how hard the game can actually be. I went through the tutorial earlier today to figure out the building aspects of the game, and it's actually pretty cool. It makes it a fun building co-op game. It really does, because people have to do specific tasks for you to be able to get the missions done. And if people are just running around killing bugs, the missions aren't going to get completed. So I don't think these people can hear me because I have to actually...
Welcome to Starship.
We are the threat.
Yeah, they can't hear me because I've got it pushed to talk.
To set up a base and
never
retake
happened
the
before,
planet's
and I've
abandoned
made
colony.
thousands of games of this.
All right. So I've done this mission before, so this should be fun. Oh, Nightmare's already full. I guess I'm going to go into that squad. I usually like to go into the Nightmare squad. All right, here we go.
We get in, secure our regions, and move to the next objective in order. Let's hit 'em hard and fast. Fire out.
Oh, they don't fold like paper in this one. Oh, wow. This veteran mode.
Capture Brimstone 1.
They
Next
don't
objective is
fold.
available.
All right, let's go this
Rearm
way.
and move to the next objective location. Fire out.
See what's going on here. Oh, we got boats. And friendly fire is on, folks. So just make sure you're not shooting. Oh, get out of there. Just make sure you're not shooting your comrades. Whoa. Something hit me.
Enemy arachnid patrol.
All right.
Well
So
done,
let's
Brimstone 1.
go this
Proceed
way.
on
I
to
want
your
to...
next target after
Whoop.
rearming. Fire out.
All right. This guy's down here in his little bunker.
Stone 1, this is Vulture 1. Payload is loaded up and en route. Stay clear of the drop zone.
Don't go to the drop zone. Don't be... Oh, I got a little lag spike right there. Ooh, something's hitting me. Oh, the guy behind me. Chowing into me. Now I've got a med kit that I can use on myself and I can use on other people. Like this guy's wounded, give him the juice. So I just healed him. I gotta go chase him down. I didn't get too much. I didn't give it.
Warning. Arachnid threat has risen in severity.
Come on. I don't know why it's not giving him.
I'm gonna go inside the bunker.
Enemy arachnid patrol detected.
All right, here we
Eliminated
go.
to reduce
Just keep
arachnid
firing.
threat levels in your AO.
Why if I'm not really sure why my I guess I am healing them. Whoop. I've got my little healing droid out. Just looking for hit points. You know, I probably should be helping with attacking, but I'm just trying to heal people. And it looks like there was a little delay on healing people. There we go. There we go. I don't know what was going on. Maybe I was hitting the wrong button. Maybe I was totally useless during that battle because I was healing myself and not other people.
Yeah, take out those big arachnids.
All right, I'm going down here to heal this guy. Woohoo! Give him a jab.
Southwest, west somewhere.
There we go. I got him.
Southwest, west.
Oh my god, that guy got wrecked by different pieces of her.
All right. All right, looks like we got to go this way. Put a gun back in my hand. Yeah, I'm still learning the game, the mechanics of the game. I'm hoping I'm not gimping them too bad, being a noob.
I'm coming for you. Focus down over here. No!
All right, here we go. Yeah, always watch your friendly fire.
I tried.
Whoop. I just... All right. I think friendly fire is people shoot me with friendly fire. Oh, get that bug. Whoop. Oh, I got another lag spike. A little pause there. All right, does anybody need healing? I'm looking at hit point. I can't really see the hit point markers unless I put the
Reloading.
stim pack in. Oh, get away from me, you bum. Oh man. All right, going to heal mode. See if anybody needs healing. We got no healing there. Oh. Oh. Oh, and I'm down. I'm down with the heal kit in my hand. Ah. I'm bleeding out. Those guys just need to. Those guys just need to kill that thing.
Get back in the fight, trooper.
I'm trying. Get back in the fight. Yeah, I should have switched my weapon and attacked that thing.
Do you want to live forever?
All right.
Well done, Brimstone 1. Proceed on to your next target after rearming. Fire out.
All right. This guy's going to need to be healed because I saw him get
Secure resources are available. Move it.
Saw him
Brimstone
get,
1. That base isn't gonna build itself.
crushed. Oh, I had a bug on me. I had no idea I had a bug. I'm trying to heal that guy and I had bugs raping me.
We don't need ammo, we need fists.
Oh, fists.
So what's going on? Oh, I don't have. Oh, okay. I didn't realize that there's a. I only get two.
Jimmy, hold still. Hey, or somebody, like, you need help. Stop moving. There we go, I got you.
Yeah, I gotta redo my stims. I didn't realize that I only get two. So I've got to get to an ammo crate. It looks like to get my stims back. I'll get better at this game. I'm just really a noob at it. So there should be a crate up here somewhere, or I can build one.
This is Pyre, mobile HQ
Here we
is
go.
transmitting, and we have a fix on your location.
So now
Smoke is en route.
I should have.
Brimstone 1, this is Vulture 1.
I should.
Payload is
No,
loaded
it
up
says
and
that
en
I
route.
have no
Stay
more
clear of the
stim
drop zone.
packs. So that must be a different. That must be a different on veteran. Must be a different kind of resource.
Payload has been delivered. Brimstone 1, have the arc. Vulture 1, return to base.
I have to go refill it somewhere else other than the ammo crate. What's this here? Oh, that refilled it. This one refilled it.
Almost done building the stupid wall. Thanks, man.
All right. Just looking around. Okay, so now that I know I can run out of that, I thought they were, and it's this ammo crate that, like this guy's injured here. He's just got a little sliver. There we go. There we go. Now that I know that that has a recharge, and I have to go to this thing to refill it. All right. Yeah, I haven't gotten in any of the building things. I don't want to mess up the plan. I'm such a new player that I don't want to mess up anything by building something I shouldn't be building. I guess I could build this thing if somebody put it here. All right, yeah, I could help with that at least, because it's already, somebody already placed it. Yeah, nice.
Warning. The base is under attack.
Oh god, this is gonna be so bad.
Yeah, I guess if once people have already put the wall down, I can help build it. I just don't
Could
want to be
someone
the
repair
guy
the turrets
to
once we
place
engage?
the.
Me and El Nacho.
I got
Target's been fired. Data from the seismic pulse looks good. Expect a horde inbound to your location. ETA, Now. Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
We don't need this here. We need it up there in the bunker.
I guess I might not be. I can get these guys out here, but I'm not. I guess that tower, this tower is in a bad spot because I can't really hit anything there. I'm just waiting to for the ones that are in the back. So here at least I can hit stuff here. So that was a bad placement. Where I put that tower there. These guys are running guns here on the wall. I'm just supplementing their. I mean, they're just mowing things down. Well, there's a guy up there on that tower. See him up there, all by himself?
Took my turret.
How's everybody doing? I don't think they've broken in, so I shouldn't have to do much healing. I can go down and check. Let me just jump down, get in heal mode and see if I have to juice anybody.
Good job so far, lads.
The base is under attack.
Okay, there's some injured. There's one guy that's injured down there. He's not that injured.
The base is under
I
attack.
just wish I didn't have to have this in my hand to see people's hit points. I wish I could keep the gun in my hand and then just look over and see if I need to heal somebody. See, I can't see their hit points with the gun in my hand.
Target at 75%. We're almost
They're in.
there, Brimstone 1.
All right, they're in. So let's get down here. All right, anybody injured down here? Yeah, this guy is. Oh, I gotta get to him.
The base is
I got him.
under attack.
I got him healed. Woohoo! Get back to my gun. I better get ammo.
Warning. The base is under
There we go.
attack.
All right. This guy's really hurt. Oh no, I guess it's this guy that's hurt. Come on, dude. There you go. I juiced you. Oh, trying to juice you, buddy.
Well done, troopers. We got what
All
we
right.
needed. Drop what you're doing and head to the extraction point.
All right, I'm gonna get my ammo refilled here before we run off to the extraction point.
All received. Ultra One inbound for
We
pickup.
got a breach.
Copy. Breach east.
All right, where's this thing is?
This is Vulture 1. Move to the designated LZ. On the bounce.
All right, where is the LZ? I must be running. Okay, I guess I got to go this way. I thought I had to go this way. Oh, there it is. There's the icon. You can see it's something that... Oh yeah, like I'm gonna go down into that nest, but I'm gonna have no choice here. I'm gonna surf it all the way to the bottom here. Woohoo! Come on.
Turn and cover.
Cut off.
Oh, I'm down. I got mobbed. This is crazy fun. This is a fun game. I just wish I was better at it. Oh, someone got me up. Oh, what a good lad. All right, I gotta keep up with my team. My problem is I left late. I knew I probably needed to go in this direction. So let me see if I need to heal anybody here. This guy needs some juice. Oh. I guess not. All right, so we're here already. So my job is to keep these guys up while we're waiting for this thing to lift off. Whoop, this guy's attacking. Oh, this guy needs some. There you go. Oh, this guy needs some more. Come on, dude. Gotcha. Ooh, this guy needs it. There we go. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide here. Oh, I can refill there in the cargo ship. Then I can go back out here to see who needs. I mean, I think I'd be more helpful, I think, with a gun in my hand at this point. I'm not really sure if, yeah, I guess
We're
at this...
leaving in 30 seconds.
So
Get
we
in the
just...
ship or be left behind.
Let Darkus handle it out here. Boop, 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 boop.
Get to the chopper.
Now, granted, I died a few times, and I'm quite new at this game, but I think it went really good for veteran mode. I mean, this is what I was looking for, is this kind of crazy mess. And I died. I did die a few times, and the guys had to res me a couple times.
I feel
What-
bad for him. Oh no, he got revived too. He's just left down there.
Yeah, that was fun. Now, I probably scored the lowest in my squad. Improve grenade cooldown. I gotta start using grenades, I think. I'm just kind of squeamish when it comes to using them because I don't want to kill my comrades. I'm one of those bad players that will kill people. So I didn't do too bad. I had 53 combat points, 2 supports. The next guy in line had 67 combat points and 1 support, and the other 2 really kicked some butt. So I was the weakest link. But again, I'm just learning this game, and I think I'll get better at it. But that was a good amount of fun. I don't know. There are some real critics to this game, and for what it is, it's fun. Granted, it seems to be the same couple missions over and over again. You're just kind of just doing the same stuff. But if you're just looking at it as just to get in and play for 20 minutes, have a good old time, and just have mayhem going around you, that's exactly what happened. Now, Tarkus makes it look stupid because I'm not good at the game. But once I get really good at the game, I can see this really being really fun. And this is early access. So, it only can get better from here. I mean, it's really a fun game. And as you can see, even Tarkus can play it. All right. Well, thank you for joining me. And this has been the Tarkus Zone.